Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Naturally Nappy here, and if you're new here, hey, what's up? And if you're old here, hey, welcome back. Sorry for the short video, but I had to get straight to the point.
So I parted these two into two separate sections. I take the hair that I pre-stretched and I take one piece and I wrap it as close as I can to the root. And then take the other piece and do the same. Try to get as close as I can to my root because I don't want them too tight, but I want them as tight as possible. And then I take one side and I twist inward. And I take the other piece and I twist outward, which makes them both in the same direction. And I'm hoping you can see that I have it tight at the root. Then I twist them around each other and I start doing the twist. And as I'm doing the twist, I am twisting these strands as well with my hands. That's why I twist my arm inward like that. And do the same. Inward, inward, and inward. And I just continue that all the way down the twist. That causes them to be as seamless as possible, like my hair blending, and it was not frizzy because I am using Marley hair. So it's a different texture, which kind of matches my hair. But I still want them to be smooth and not frizzy as quick because I want this to last a little bit.
And yeah, it's about that simple. This took me about 2 days to do my entire head. But I'm giving you a little snippet of how I do it and how it turns out. And the end result, super cute, super easy to deal with throughout the week. And you just get up and go. Yeah.
This is what the ends look like. And I just twist it around my finger. It's nothing fancy. They're not gonna stay, but they kind of, I mean, if you want, I'll see if it looks like, add a little bit of product. It's not gonna twist up like my hair would, but it kind of seals it in so that it doesn't unravel, which this hair has not done. All of my twists have stayed in.